Avengers co-stars Robert Downey Jr. and Chris Evans turned real-life superheroes recently when they joined forces to make a dying fan's dream come true. The dynamic duo was joined by Gwyneth Paltrow, who earlier this month learned of Ryan Wilcox's health battle with leukemia via a campaign on Instagram, and his dying wish was to meet his favourite stars. In an effort to make his dream come true, Gwyneth called on Robert and Chris to join her for a trip to Ryan's native San Diego, offering up her services as a chauffeur for the road trip from Los Angeles. Gwyneth posted a photo of her superhero pals walking towards her on an airport tarmac, adding the caption, "Let's do this, #RyanStrong." She also shared a short video of them aboard a helicopter overlooking the California landscape below, with all three actors clearly excited to surprise the 18-year-old. Her social media activity ended with the Iron Man actress posting a snap of Ryan proudly sporting a Captain America shirt and standing in between his personal superheroes.